Hey there, have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when you browse the web? Well, it's not just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. WebAssembly is a new technology that's changing the way we build websites and apps. In this video, we will dive into the WebAssembly, why it's important and how it's changing the web. WebAssembly is a new type of code that can run into your web browser. It is designed to be fast, secure and portable, which means that code is written in WebAssembly can run on any device, regardless of its operating system or browser. One of the biggest benefits of WebAssembly is that it lets developers to use any programming language to write code for the web. This means that programmers can use their favorite languages like C++, Rust or Python to build web apps instead of being limited to JavaScript. And because WebAssembly is so fast, it can be used for more demanding applications like games, 3D graphics, and even artificial intelligence. But WebAssembly isn't just for developers. It's also good for users because WebAssembly code can run faster than JavaScript code. It can make apps and websites load faster, which is greater for users who just want to get things done quickly. Another benefit of WebAssembly is that it's more secure than JavaScript. Because WebAssembly code runs in a sandboxed environment, it's harder for hackers to exploit security vulnerabilities. This means that WebAssembly apps can be more secure, which is important when you are dealing with sensitive data like personal information. So if you are a developer or just a web user, WebAssembly is something you should learn more about. With its speed, portability and security, WebAssembly is changing the way we build the web. And it's only going to get more important in the years to come. But here is another quick nugget of information for you. According to recent reports of Flexera, adoption of cloud computing is expected to grow at an annual growth rate of 17.5% through 2023. And with all the applications today moving from one premises infrastructure to cloud technologies as it is for them to be familiar with web development. So let's get started. What is WebAssembly? WebAssembly is transforming web development by introducing a groundbreaking technology that offers a new way to run code on the web. While JavaScript has long been the dominant language for web development, WebAssembly brings a universal programming language that can be understood and executed by all modern browsers, unlocking a world of possibilities. Let's see what sets apart WebAssembly. Its low-level assembly language nature designed to closely resemble compiled machine code for optimal performance. Although you won't write script directly in WebAssembly, it serves as a compilation target for other language. That means that web browser can now execute code written in a variety of programming languages, including C++, Rust, Python, expanding the horizon of web development. The impact of WebAssembly is pronounced. By enabling developers to leverage different languages, it breaks the boundaries of traditional web development. Developers can tap into their preferred language and exciting code bases, unlocking new levels of flexibility, power, and efficiency in web application development. Now, let's see WebAssembly unleashing performance, security, and portability in web development. WebAssembly brings significant performance improvement compared to traditional JavaScript. It executes code faster, leading to reduced loading time for apps and websites. This enhanced speed translates into a smoother and more responsive user experience. With WebAssembly's efficiency, web application can now handle resource-intensive tasks such as complex emulation, games, and even artificial intelligence, all while maintaining optimal performance. Next, we have security. Security is another area where WebAssembly shines. By running code within a secure sandbox environment, it provides an extra layer of protection against potential threats. The sandbox execution isolates code, making it more challenging for hackers. This high-end security is particularly crucial in handling sensitive user data and ensuring the overall protection of personal information. Furthermore, WebAssembly is designed to be portable across devices, operating systems, and browsers, ensuring a constant user experience regardless of the environment. Web applications can be seamlessly accessed, making them more widely available and accessible to users. Now, let's explore the key features of WebAssembly. The first one on our list is language diversity. WebAssembly enables developers to write code in multiple programming languages including C++, Rust, and Python, expanding the possibilities for web development. This language diversity empowers developers to leverage their preferred language and existing code bases, resulting in more efficiency and powerful web applications. The next we have high performance. WebAssembly is engineered to execute at near native speeds, offering significant performance improvements over traditional JavaScript. By utilizing a low-level binary format, it efficiently executes code, resulting in faster loaded time and smoother execution of complex applications. This makes it well-suited for applications such as games, simulations, and other complications-intensive tasks. Next, we have enhanced security. WebAssembly operates within a secure sandbox environment, providing an additional layer of security. This isolation prevents malicious code from accessing sensitive user data or compressing the integrity of the system. Web applications built with WebAssembly are more resistant to attacks, ensuring the safety and privacy of user information. Next, we have platform independency. WebAssembly is designed to be platform independent, enabling it to run seamlessly on various devices, operating systems, and web browsers. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that applications built with WebAssembly can access and run continuously across different environments. It streamlines the development process and provides users with a seamless experience. In summary, WebAssembly language diversity, enhanced performance, improved security, and platform independency are revolutionizing web development. Developers now have the freedom to choose from multiple programming languages, resulting in more powerful and efficient web applications. Users benefit from faster loading time and enhanced security measurements and a constant experience across devices. As WebAssembly continues to evolve, it promises to shape the future of web development, enabling further innovative and capabilities to web applications. So, with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.